Hello everyone, this is our third lecture of this Power BI course. We are setting the expectations from this course. So before we move on to the next section, so I just want to take a minute to get some of the expectations from this course. Now, like number one, so what you see on my screen might not always exactly matches when I show of mine, and like Microsoft Power BI products are constantly changing and evolving, and the Power BI desktop is no exception. So in factors like product updates will release every single month, and which means that you are likely to see some differences in the layout of the tools and the functionality over the time. So we won't be writing any M script, or we won't be importing any custom visuals. So we will skip some of the most like some of the more advanced DAX function. Like I'm confident that the concept in this course will cover most of the things which you should be using in the early starting. And the number three is like Power BI and Power Pivot in Excel are built on the same exact engine, the Power BI and the Power Pivot. And last but not least, so we will be not covering like the Power BI services at the part of this course. So for that, like I'm going to be focusing like for this course we are going to be focused on Power BI desktop specifically, and the online sharing and collaboration features on apps.powerbi.com. So those we will be covering in depth in a complete separate course.